What if your iPhone could look like this? Ultra dark. Or something like this. Ultra light. But which one is actually better? Today, we're comparing ultra dark mode versus ultra light mode to see which setup looks cleaner, feels better, and even helps your battery life. Let's find out. Hi friends, welcome to Pre-Dev Tech. If you enjoy iPhone customization, hidden settings, and tips like this, make sure to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss future videos. Now let's get started. Let's start with the look of ultra dark mode. Here you can see the deep black icons, minimal glass effects, and a very clean, premium feel. Everything looks darker, smoother, and much easier on the eyes, especially at night. Notice how the interface feels more modern and cinematic compared to the regular glossy look. This is what makes ultra dark mode feel professional, minimal, and visually satisfying. To see the full setup video, please click the link at the top right corner. Now coming to the ultra light mode. Here you can see the clean white interface, bright colors, and a very fresh, minimal look. Everything feels lighter, clearer, and more open, especially during daytime use. Notice how the design looks brighter and the overall experience feels simple and airy. This is what makes ultralight mode feel clean, modern, and perfect for everyday use. To see the full setup video, please click the link at the top right corner. Now that we've seen both setups individually, let's compare them side by side. During the night or in low light, ultra dark mode is usually more comfortable for your eyes because the darker colors reduce brightness. But during the day, especially in bright environments, ultralight mode can feel clearer and easier to read. So the best choice really depends on when and where you use your iPhone. Now let's talk about daily use. If you spend a lot of time using your phone at night, watching videos or scrolling in low light, ultra dark mode usually feels more relaxing. But if you use your phone mostly during the day, especially outdoors or in bright places, ultralight mode can feel clearer and easier to see. So for everyday use, it really depends on your routine and where you use your phone the most. That's why many people switch between both modes to get the best experience. Now let's talk about battery life. On iPhones with OLED displays, ultra dark mode can help save battery because darker pixels use less power. That means if you use dark mode most of the time, you may notice slightly longer battery life throughout the day. On the other hand, ultralight mode uses more brightness and lighter colors, so it can consume a bit more battery. The difference is not huge, but over time, it can definitely make a noticeable impact. So, if battery life is important to you, ultra dark mode usually has a small advantage. So after comparing both setups, ultra dark mode and ultra light mode, each one has its own advantages. If you prefer a modern cinematic look and better comfort at night, ultra dark mode is a great choice. But if you like a bright, clean design that feels fresh during the day, ultralight mode might be better for you. Personally, I like using ultra dark mode at night and ultralight mode during the day. Now tell me in the comments, which one do you prefer, ultra dark or ultra light? I have already created both setup videos and I've left the links in the description and pinned comment. And please don't forget to like and subscribe for more iPhone customization tips. Bye, see you in the next video.